Hello everyone. Well, I've just used the word everyone, and I'm sure you understand that word. And that word is an indefinite pronoun. And this is the topic of this week. It's this week's grammar point. Let's have a look together. Today we are going to see how to translate words such as quelqu'un, quelque chose, tout le monde, nulle part, partout, etc. And how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to use words like some, any, no, and every, and we are going to combine these words with body or one, thing, or where. Have a look at the table right here. Dans les phrases positives, pour traduire quelqu'un, on va utiliser somebody or someone. There is no difference in meaning between somebody and someone. Dans les phrases négatives et interrogatives, we are going to use anybody or anyone. Then it's going to mean personne. Personne dans les phrases positives, nobody or no one, spelled in two words or with a hyphen. And in negative and interrogative sentences, anybody or anyone. Quelque part in positive sentences will be translated by somewhere. And in negative and question sentences, anywhere. So you notice here that we are going to use the exact same rules as for some and any, except that we have an extra word. Nulle part in positive sentences, nowhere. In negative and question sentences, anywhere. Quelque chose, something in positive sentences, and in negative and interrogative sentences, anything. And finally, the word rien in positive sentences will be nothing, and in negative and interrogative sentences, it will be anything. For example, there isn't anybody waiting for you, il n'y a personne qui t'attend. Anybody is used in a negative sentence. The following sentence means exactly the same. There is nobody waiting for you, il n'y a personne qui t'attend. We use nobody here to say personne because it's a positive sentence. Both sentences mean the same thing. Both sentences are grammatically correct. Now, usually we use the first one and not the second one. Well, we do use a second one, but not as often as the first one. Another example, I haven't got anything for them. Je n'ai rien pour eux. We use anything in a negative sentence. I've got nothing for them. We use nothing with a positive verb. Both sentences mean the same. And again, we use I haven't got anything for them more often than I've got nothing for them. Now the word every. A few examples. I swim every week. Every means chaque. Je nage chaque semaine. I bought everything you wanted. Everything means tout. J'ai acheté tout ce que tu voulais. He looked everywhere. Everywhere means partout. J'ai regardé partout. And finally, everyone or everybody was there. Tout le monde était là. Be careful. We're going to use everybody, everywhere, everything, plus a singular verb. So in this sentence, in a positive sentence, to translate quelqu'un, we're going to say, I see somebody in the room. And in a question, we're going to say, do you see anybody in the room? Vois-tu quelqu'un dans la pièce? To translate personne, in a negative sentence, we're going to use anybody. I don't see anybody in the room. And in a positive sentence, we're going to use I see nobody in the room. To translate quelque chose in a positive sentence, we're going to use something. I see something in the room. In a question, we're going to use anything. Do you see anything in the room? To translate the word rien in a negative sentence, we're going to use anything. I don't see anything in the room. Je ne vois rien. And in a positive sentence, we're going to use nothing. I see nothing in the room. To translate quelque part in a positive sentence, we're going to use somewhere. I'm going somewhere this summer. In a question, we're going to use anywhere. Are you going anywhere this summer? To translate nulle part in a negative sentence, I'm not going anywhere this year. And in a positive sentence, we're going to use nowhere. I'm going nowhere this summer. With every, to translate chaque, he goes to art school every week. Tout le monde, everyone or everybody came to my party. Tout, everything was fantastic. Partout, I'm looking for my keys everywhere, but I can't find them. Last slide to explain the difference between everyday, written in 2 words, everyday, written in 1 word, and all day. I work every day. This means je travaille chaque jour. It's a determiner. Every day, in 1 word, is an adjective. People's everyday life. Je ne sais pas ce qui se passe dans la vie de tous les jours des gens. So it's an adjective, it's used in combination with a noun. All day, I've worked all day. Again, it's a determiner. All day, I've worked all day. J'ai travaillé toute la journée. So do not confuse these 3 words, every day in 2 words, every day in 1 word, and all day. So this is the end of the video for the level A2. You can learn more in the video about indefinite pronouns in level B1. Have a nice day. Bye.